Canadian provosts carefully examine all luggage of the defeated master race before they commence their long trek back to their own country. Loot of all descriptions and kinds, culled from helpless Hollanders during occupation, will be returned to its original owners. Across the great causeway of the Zuider Zee, the hopeless thousands in horse-drawn vehicles head for home. German women camp followers who trailed the victorious Wehrmacht are sorted out so that they too may be sent back. At IJmuiden, Jerry's travel on their own minesweepers under escort of the Royal Navy. The boats take the garrison away from the territory it held for so long. Day after day, the steady stream of traffic moves towards Germany. There are no regrets at the departure. Holland is only too glad to see the last of her oppressors. Bivouacs give tired Germans a rest. Walking back from a joyride is no fun. Ask Jerry, he knows. At the border, the long march goes into its last phase. The return is not a happy one for a vanquished army. From living on the fat of captured countries, they now must work to raise Germany from her shattered depths. Thus she may live in peace with her neighbors, respecting other men's rights.